AirBorn's Z series compression connectors. A solderless interconnect solution, Z series eliminates costly soldering processes and inspections. Easily align and compress Z series between two PCBs and save assembly labor cost and time. Versus standard connector stacks, Z series assemblies require fewer connectors, reducing cost and potential failure points. Z series boasts a patented one-piece contact construction, reducing resistance. As the only interposer choice, Z series contact wiping action proves reliable in high-stress applications. Z series can provide signal and power. Multiple contacts per cavity easily create the potential for power modules. Order Z series connectors 4 ways. 1. Standard catalog configurations offer a wide variety of shapes and sizes. 2. Mix standard catalog contacts and hardware with your unique molded body style. 3. Create fully custom configurations with unique body, contact, and hardware. 4. We'll manufacture laser-cut engineering units to test and prove design concepts. Z series works well with flexible circuits to create intricate and space-saving assemblies.